We have to start over. So everybody, this is my house. I've lived here for 2 years now. This is my 2nd year. I've been going to Sweet Pea. We are gonna do a tour around the house. Isn't that cool? And I am Caroline, as you all know. And we are gonna go around the house. First, we're going to start here. Which hallway do you want to go on? How about we go on that one? We can't go on this one. That is a picture of my horse, Sunny. This is laundry room. This is the steam shower. See, there's a light switch. There's a light switch, and it goes up there. See? Watch this. Whoa, isn't that cool? This is the steam shower. These 2 are my shampoos, and this one. These 3 are my shampoos. 1, 2, and 3. So yeah, that's the steam shower. And in here is a ginormous bathtub. Those are my Hatchimals. And look down there. That's the bathtub. Watch this. It even has jets. It has a button for the jet. It has a button for the jets. It has everything for the jets. So yeah. That's the jets. That's the thing that the water goes through. It squirts out right there. That's the thing that the water goes through. And yeah. So let's go into the bedroom. And we can make our way down to the shop. The shop is almost my favorite, but not my favorite. It's mostly my dad's because my dad's really good at working at the shop. That's my dog's kennel. That's my mom's bedroom. She's making it. She's watching the sheets. There's the sheets. That's the pillow. And there. So, how about we go downstairs into my room? Well, my room isn't downstairs, but it's a layer down. You know what I mean? Just a little bit down. Okay, how about we go in here? Whoa, look at that. There's a party here. Summer party. That was my dad's that he did. This is mine that I did. It says summer right up here. I'm not that good of a drawer, but my dad is really good of a drawer. I did all 3 of these by myself. I did that last year, and I did the unicorn this year. Now, let's go inside my room. Whoa, it's so dark in here. Let's turn on the light. Turn off my night lights. Let's go to the dark. But just don't make fun of me. Sorry. Whoa, and look at that. It's such a mess. This is my desk. My dad helped me with the origami. I'll show you the origami. This is a piano or a bench. It's a piano and a bench. This one is even cooler because it has X's on it. That was my dad's that he did with me because my dad is really good at origami. And this is a house. So isn't that cool? House. I bet I could stand up. Yep, it's a house. And it can stand up when something's behind it. Does anybody know what a squash fold is? Because this is one. It kind of looks like hedgehogs. See, if you put your fingers in the big one, that's a mom, and this is the baby. My dad did one too. Besides, this one is my dad's. This one's mine. It's kind of terrible. This one is a candy dish. It's a Chinese candy dish. This is a cup. This is a speedboat. I tried to make it into a house, but I couldn't. I mean, a cat, but I couldn't because, you know. This one is a slumber hat. Me and my friends make them every night we have a sleepover. And let's put that back. And this is my desk. Look at the horses. This one is Spirit from Riding Free, but I have a horse that's like it. That's like this one. And his name is Ranger. These ones are not really my favorite, but this one's my favorite. Her name's Monty. Monty. This is my Palomino. Or pencil. Look at the pencils. I have stuff for the school year. It's getting really close. So we better pack up and leave. My bathroom's in here. It's really dark right now, but it's not going to. Whoa, look at this. I have earrings in right now if you want to see them. Those are the ones that I have in, so yeah. These are my other earrings. Isn't that cool? These ones are really cool. The rainbows are really cool. All of them are really cool. My favorite are the ones that I have in. Those sparkly diamonds. Okay, let's go out. We're not going downstairs today, but maybe tomorrow we can. Guess what? Maybe next weekend I get to have a play date and I get to show all of you guys my friends. Okay? So, I'm ready to see the video that I took, and I'm going to right now. So,
Downstairs?
peace out.